Hello everyone and welcome to another Comic Geek video. Today I'm doing a review on the LEGO Avengers Hulk Helicopter Rescue Set from Avengers Endgame. Here I'll start with the chopper. So we have room for one person in the front. Almost all the decorations you see are stickers except for these Avengers tiles right here. Those are printed. It's got nice tile shooters around the sides. These winglets are adjustable. Unfortunately, it doesn't cover everything up right here, but that's fine. Has this feature where you can load the Hulk in there, press this button right here, and drop him. Pretty simple. Doesn't look too bad. Could look better, but no complaints here. We have this Chitauri dragon-like creature. Can be rode by one of the Chitauri. Very posable and looks great. I definitely would have preferred if they used these parts right here instead of giving it that. Give one of the Chitauri like an alien blaster instead. I think that would have been much better, but that's fine. Now we have a Chitauri chariot. Looks nice. Be careful when moving it around because these are easily knocked out of place, but Chitauri soldiers stands right there and rides on it. You can easily access the stud shooters, which is a good thing. One thing I forgot to mention is it has clips on the helicopter to hold Black Widow's staffs as well as the extra tiles. Now as far as the figures go, we have Rescue, Black Widow, Hulk, and 2 Chitauri soldiers. Rescue has wonderful printing and is pretty good back piece. She also comes with an alternate hairpiece, and the printing on the back looks amazing. This is the printing on the back as well as the alternate face. Unfortunately, I think both Black Widow and Rescue have the same headpieces. Yep, but Rescue looks wonderful, especially with these blast pieces. Those are nice. And this is what she looks like with the hairpiece on. Here we have Black Widow with one of her staffs. She comes with 2, and this is a new build for the staffs, which is nice. Unfortunately, she has the Quantum Realm suit. Looks nice, but we get so many of them in the Avengers Endgame sets, which, despite it looking nice, just gets boring after a while. Other than that, no complaints here. Here we have the Hulk in a Quantum Realm suit, which looks nice. I definitely would have preferred a normal Hulk over Quantum Realm Hulk, but it still looks nice. Only thing I wish is that it had printing on the back. Here we have the Chitauri soldiers, and both of them are the exact same. Simple but nice printing on the torso, back, and front. Only thing I wish they could do is include some printing on the sides of the heads. That just doesn't look right. The set also comes with the Iron Gauntlet with the Space, Reality, Soul, and Mind stones. This definitely does look nice, especially with that printing. This was definitely worth the $40 spent on it. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.